Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Redmi Note 10 with a cracked display. As you can see there, it's not that good, so let's go fix it. So first thing we're gonna do now is try to remove the back cover. You can see there, it's not really gonna be operational. So we're gonna remove the back cover on this one by slicing through the adhesive. We're gonna take our time because although this is very flexible, it's not really gonna benefit everyone if you rush things up. So professionals really have their own technique, and David here is doing it slowly and surely. We're going to remove the screws around the main board. We're going to detach the cover for the camera. Also going to remove the screws for the daughter board, and you can see it's going back, showing us something, but it looks like a science fiction glitch effect. We remove the cover from the sides. We're gonna slowly lift it up. Also have removed the SIM card tray. I'm gonna disconnect some connectors. There you go. We cannot detach the battery and the display connector, and we'll test if our replacement display works or not. Try to turn this on. And it does show us something, showing us the Redmi logo. I think that's a carrier logo. And we're in the home screen. We'll go to the settings. I think this smartphone is still initializing. You can see some delays on the responses, but so far so good. We'll try to find the camera. There you go. Check if it's still working. And it does. Look at that. That's the back camera. This is the front. I think it's flipped also. I'm gonna try to turn this on. There you go. You can just properly shut it down. So next thing we're gonna do is detach the display, remove the battery. That's actually the replacement display, and then remove this battery. It's quite stuck with some adhesive. And we're gonna remove the display now. Let's take it slow, lift it up. There you go. I'm gonna install some miscellaneous parts back in and clean off the sides of the housing. Scrape it off. Got the corner, and I'm also gonna file off some dents on the corner. And put our own liquid adhesive. And we're gonna install our replacement display. Still got its plastic on it. You have this connector. This is the main connector for the display to the main board. We'll properly connect that. Also gonna reinstall the battery. And then put back together with a cover. And it's just the back cover left. And all the main screws. We still have the cover for the camera and the SIM card tray. I'm gonna screw it back in. Look at that, it's now turning on. Camera oriented properly. We'll see if it works or not. It works. Front camera. Also works. So it's now ready for the client. And thanks for joining, guys. If you want this service, you can message us and we'll do the same thing to your device. So that's it. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.